I'm Jake.
And I'm Jay, and we're from AttractionSpot, and we're here at Infinity Falls.
Yeah, but SeaWorld Orlando. This is their newest ride. It's a water raft ride.
Looks pretty fun.
So we're going to take a ride on it. Let's go.
It's fun.
You have a rider cam of us filming.
Alright. There's one more in front of us, and then we do that. Normally, this does not happen, but it's so pretty big, so. What are you gonna do?
It's so cool how the ride comes out of the water.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going backwards. Oh boy.
We're here.
Here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready. Hi!
How's it going? Hey Taylor, you take a picture of us?
Oh boy. This is gonna be interesting.
Go. Actually, we might be shaking our camera if we drop roll.
Oh, true. That's a
Can you
very
hear
valid
us?
point. They can't.
No?
No. This can hear us though.
Thanks. We've kind of turned into like a photo op with our
Yeah. It's kind of turned into a photo
tuxedos
op.
on.
Just a bit.
Okay, here we go.
I wonder why. Oh, there's a helicopter.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Look, they have live flamingos on this ride.
Are you sure? Those look like animatronics to me.
What language do flamingos speak?
What language?
Flamingo.
Oh! Hi, flamingos. Bye, flamingos. Oh no. Oh God. This isn't gonna turn off, is it? Oh no. Oh. 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 Oh.
Yeah, here we go. Woo. Look at these kids. They're so confused. There's a bunch of
Hey! Oh!
Here
Oh
we
boy.
go.
Uh-oh, here comes
Here we
a
go.
little bit of a drop.
Woo.
Oh. Oh. Not too bad, not too bad.
We're holding up so far.
So far, so good. Oh man.
Over here we got some nice waterfalls.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Now we are reaching the first hill for this ride. There's two, which is pretty neat. All right. Let's see.
I don't really know what we should talk about the lift hill.
It lifts you up.
Here we
It's
go. We're going
uplifting.
up. Oh,
All the way.
It's uplifting lift hill.
I'm feeling good. I'm uplifted. We're kind of stuck right now. It's going very slow.
We're sorry, this is really bad.
Yeah, I'm
But-
sorry.
It's also great.
It's also great because we're wearing
Here
suits.
we go.
That's the joke. You get it? Ha! Now I'm wet.
And we did rent these suits.
Are we allowed to say that? Yeah.
Well, I just did.
Well,
Do it now.
All right. We're nearing the lift, or the end of the lift.
If that was uplifting, is this Downfalling?
We're downfalling, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the downfall of everything. This is where it goes to crap. All right. Here we go. Oh boy, lots of water here. Not too bad. All right. Here's another one. Oh boy. Woo. Oh man.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh man. Oh boy, here it comes.
Here we go, right here.
Maybe. Oh yeah, I have a feeling that we.
Spin. Oh, we're almost there. There we go.
Oh man. So if you really want to get maximum wet, face the opposite side.
Yeah, sit on the other side of us. But this is the side the camera set up on. So we are now backed up at the vertical lift. Unfortunately, we can't show you. Unless I pull out my phone and film.
Oh yeah, you can do that. I doubt SeaWorld's gonna give us this video. The ride's stuck.
Hey, now we're double filming.
Hey.
Okay, anyway, we're stuck. That's how it's a good ride.
It's a good ride, but it has its
Sucking
quirks.
problems.
Yeah, it's opening day.
So now, how do we pass this time?
Thumb wrestling? No, rock paper scissors. Let's do
Okay.
every game.
Oh, now my phone won't connect to my box. Okay.
All right, rock paper scissors shoot. Oh, that's 2 out of 3. Okay. Oh. Pray for me. So we're still sitting here.
Oh,
Oh, it took one.
I kind of want to get that one. That's pretty
Pretty unique. All right.
We have a rider cam of us filming.
All right. There's one more in front of us, and then we can go. Normally, this does not happen, but it's opening day, so you know. What are you gonna do?
It's so cool how the ride comes out of the water.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're going backwards.
We actually are going to get more wet.
Yeah. Yeah. It usually doesn't go this way if you sit where we were from the beginning.
But I'm happy it worked out like this.
Yeah, me too. All right. Oh boy. Here we go. Going right up on the vertical lift. First ever vertical lift on a water ride in Orlando. Pretty cool. It's also the world's tallest
That's the
raft ride.
waterfall.
Oh,
Here we go.
that's the infinities right there. Here it goes. Oh no.
Hey.
Woo! Oh.
I think we have to buy that on-ride photo.
Oh yeah. Definitely. Without question. Pretty good stuff.
Okay, so
All right.
hope you guys enjoyed that.
It was pretty good.
I had a really good time.
Yeah, me too. Be sure to ride Infinity Falls here at SeaWorld Orlando. It opens today, so you can come out and ride it whenever you want.
You can find Jay on Twitter.
Yeah, I'm on Twitter at Jay in Florida.
You can find me at JakeORL.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Now we're on this little lift thing.
Yeah.
But should we end the video right here?
Yeah. Bye. Wow.
You can now join and become a member of AttractionSpot and be a part of the AS fam.
All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.